Hi everyone, Deb here. I am going to be participating, maybe not every week, but some weeks, in a new collab to me. And it's a new collab and a new channel to me. The channel is Coloring with Tess, and she is doing a gel pen coloring challenge and where you can only use gel pens. So I pulled out what gel pens I have, which is not a ton. I have this Master's Touch set. It's glitter ink from Hobby Lobby that my granddaughter gifted me. I think it's Hobby Lobby, right? Yeah. And then I have this pack from Hobby Lobby that has glitter, metallic, pastel, and neon, and that's from Hobby Lobby. And then I even forgot I had these. These are Paper Mate Ink Joy, and they're in these colors. They're just regular gel pens. It does say finally a gel pen that spreads joy, not smears. And if I hadn't torn this to bits, I would have liked to maybe save this design and be able to use it for something else, but I think I might just trash this piece of packaging. Recycle. I'll recycle it. And the other thing is, what drew me to this also is she is using this book. And I found this channel through Crafting with Pat, or Crafting and More with Pat, or uh, her channel will be linked down below too. But I had never used this book and I have it, so I'm gonna work through it. And she's said she's going to just go page by page, so I'll try and do the same. I'm gonna start with the cover. I think she already did hers, but that's where I'll start. So I will come back and show you what I've done. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, everybody, I'm back with my page for the hashtag. I don't know what the hashtag is. I guess it'll be Gel Pen Coloring Challenge. It's an open collab hosted by Coloring with Tess, and I will put all the links down below. And I did the first page, not including this one. I'll probably do that another time, maybe at the same time I do the next page, which is this one. Um, actually, no, I'll probably, maybe. Actually, I'll probably do it at the same time I do this one. I'll do this and these because they're the same flowers, right? Actually, they're the same as this, but this is a busy page, so I'll probably just do this for next week and then these two maybe the week after. But here's what I did. I did this cover page and it's very pretty. I love the bright colors. I used a variety. I actually did pull out my glaze pens. I believe they are a gel pen too, but if I'm mistaken, I won't use them again. I really only used them on this jar and on this butterfly. And the rest of it is, this was neons from the Paper Studio pack. I have some metallics up here and somewhere else, I forget. Oh, on the roof of this house and on these mushrooms, those are metallic gel pens. I have the regular Papermate gel pens, which I love. And the reason I love them is I did like this flower and this flower except for the little dots and all these leaves and some of the leaves down here. The tip is a little bit finer, and I find I have a little more control over it than, for example, a tip like that. I don't know if you can see a difference, but this is a little bit finer than all of these and the glitter pens. And I found that with these little images, I need that sometimes. These were supposed to be pastels, but they look pretty neonish to me. But this is definitely neons. And let's see. Um, I used a little metallic on the roof of this. These I think are the regular ones, if I'm not mistaken. I found out this I thought was orange, but when I colored it, it was a metallic. It's like a bronze color, which is perfect for the mushroom. And then I just changed it up a little bit and used some other stuff. I did use some glitter. I don't know if you can see on the stars. the center of that flower. A little glaze pen actually on the bumblebee wings. No, I used glitter on them because my glaze was drying up or something. And some glitter on this flower. I don't know if you'll be able to see. I did have one boo-boo. I'm not going to point it out. And I will tell you, unlike, for example, colored pencils, you can erase it. So what do you do? Well, yeah, I'll let you try and figure that out. But if anybody knows how to correct boo-boos with gel pens, let me know. Maybe ink erasers? I don't know. But anyway, I like it. It's colorful, bright, a little bit sparkly in some spots, a little bit metallic-y. Actually, this has some metallic over it. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. Probably not. The lighting here is not the best. No, it's just making it blurrier. Anyway, I colored that with the regular gel ink and then I went over it with a metallic. Oh no, I'm sorry, I went over it with a glitter pen. But it just puts a tiny little bit of sparkle on. And you won't be able to see it because it's a dark color. So yeah, I like it. I think it came out good. It's taking me a little getting used to coloring with gel pens. I'm used to just using them for accents. So, and I come to realize what I miss is not having enough variations in the colors. For example, I have these two greens in this, right? But greens are like all different colors. So you'll see here I use the neon or the pastel. I can't remember which. I think pastel. But they look neon. And down here I use some metallic. I did for the rocks as well. There's not many neutrals like tans or browns or grays. I did have a gray metallic, silver metallic, and I used them. And I used actually silver on the penguin with a black metallic. Um, and these little things do have a gel pen in them. It's the only white I have, which is right there in the pastels. But to make them show up a little more, I just highlighted them with a tiny bit of the pink. And I like how that turned out. I think they're cute. I should have done that over here instead of this. This was supposed to be yellow, but it looked more orange. And that I think is this yellow. It comes out a little bit orange-ish. It's a deeper yellow and it just has it's like an orangey look to it. Anyway, I had fun. I hope you enjoy and I hope you'll go check out Coloring with Tess. And she didn't mention a hashtag, but I'm going to call it hashtag gel pen coloring challenge. And I hope that others do too, because that way people will be able to find them easier. But if you go check out Coloring with Tess channel, maybe she'll do a list of people she knows are participating or something. I don't know. I'm not sure how that's all going to work just yet. So anyway, be sure to check her out. Um, she's a small channel as far as subscribers, but let me tell you, she's gotten some whopping huge views. So I don't know if she has another channel or what? Tess, if you're watching this, please let me know. Do you have another channel? Because I'm just amazed how many, like thousands of views on some of her videos. And she doesn't have that many videos, so let me know. Okay, because I want to know what the secret is. All right, guys, take care and have a wonderful day and a wonderful week, and I'll talk to you again soon. Have fun coloring or crafting or both, whatever you do. And hugs, love, and peace.